Hi, I'm Billie Bourgeois with Compass. Enjoy the San Diego lifestyle in Harmony Grove with great curb appeal and architectural flair. This extraordinary former model home is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath smart home with smart locks, Ring doorbell, and voice command lighting. This 2019 home has a great designed floor plan with over 3,000 square feet. Come on in and let's take a look. The open concept kitchen has a large center island, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, soft close doors and drawers, and a walk-in pantry that opens up to the formal dining and family room. Professional landscaped front and backyard, floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors onto the covered California room with built-in gas fireplace, flat screen TV, barbecue area, and built-in dining table with bench seating. Mature strategic landscaping and custom fruit trees, pomegranate, persimmons, tangelo, and more. And is on a very private corner lot with views of the greenbelt and walking trails, plus so close to the community pool. This former model home has all the designer details one would expect, like wainscoting up the beautiful staircase and into this open bonus room currently used as a living room. This room could also be modified into a 5th bedroom. Gorgeous planked flooring throughout, custom wall coverings, and TVs throughout as well. Large master suite has 2 walk-in closets plus separate vanity areas, oversized soak tub, and a separate shower. From your master bedroom, there is a large private deck with great views. This home is missing nothing. Harmony Grove offers a lovely community feel with pool, parks, grassy fields, barbecue areas, and many trails. Please give me a call so we can schedule your private showing today.